up beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Blush Rush by Farjana. Today I'll talk with you about my traveling makeup bag. So this is it. I have all the products that I carry with me when I'm traveling somewhere. So today I'll create a look using all these products, and this is how you'll get some ideas about some essential products that you might carry in your bag, which will be very helpful for you. So if you want to know more, keep on watching, and those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get started. So the first product that I always carry in my traveling bag, makeup traveling bag, is this one. This is the EMBRYOLISSE moisturizer cream. It can be used as moisturizer, as primer, even you can use it as a face mask. Isn't that crazy? But it's good, trust me. It's good for all type of skin. So I'm going to apply it on my face now. Oof, I just applied the moisturizer. It's very refreshing. It hydrates my skin a lot because I have dry skin, and that's very good for dry skin. Now I'll go straight to my brows. So for my brows, I'm going to use my Morphe micro brow pencil. So this is the one, and my shade is Hazelnut. I have also uploaded a brow tutorial on my channel. So if you want to see how I do my brows, please check this out. So this is it. I did my brows with this Morphe pencil. It's really good. I don't need to adjust it with any concealer now because I love the way it is now. I'm going to apply the NARS concealer on my eyelid to do a very soft eye look. So for the eye look, I'll be taking the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. These are the shades. The first shade I'll be applying is this one, Rush. Perfect. Now I'm going to take the secret shade from the same palette with the same brush, and will be applying on my corner. Now, after the blending of these two shadows, I'll be taking my NARS concealer again and just take a few amount of concealer. Using the same brush, I'm going to blend inside. I finished my blending, so now I'll take my NYX Professional Epic liner, and the shade is brown. I'll do cat wing liner. After the wing eyeliner, I'll take my highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the shade is Snowflakes. I'll apply this on my inner corner of the eye and on my brow line. Brow bone, not brow line, sorry. So now, after applying the highlighter, I'm going to do my mascara, and for that today I'm going to take my recent favorite mascara, which is by Wonder Beauty. This is the one, and I got this from my BoxyGem subscription. Oh, this is so good because if you have long lashes, if you apply this mascara, trust me, you don't need any false lashes. This is so good. See the difference? So I have applied my mascara, and now I'll take the shade Secret from my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. This is the one, and we'll be applying it on my lower lashes. With the same brush, I'll take the first shade that I applied on my eyes, and I'll blend the shadow, this one. Now that I finished applying the shadow, I'll apply my false lashes. This is the one. I bought this from Amazon. I'll leave all the name of the product in the description. So I'll just apply this one, which is very good for hooded eyes because it helps to open up your eyes. Now I'll be back after applying these lashes. Ta-da! So I have applied my lashes. Now I'm going to take my NYX pencil, which is the Wonder Pencil, and the shade is Cream. I'm going to apply it on my waterline. Now I'll be applying my foundation, which is also by NYX Cosmetics, and it is the HD Studio Photogenic Foundation. I'll be using this beauty blender to blend my foundation, because when we use brush, it makes your makeup look very heavy, but with beauty blender, if you blend your foundation, it will give an airbrush finish, which I want now. So the blending out of the way, I'll take my NARS concealer, and the shade is Custard, and do my highlighting. Now for blending, I'll be taking my beauty blender again and going to blend this. I can't begin to tell you how important it is to blend your foundation, your concealer, because if you blend nicely, it completely changes your final look. So make sure when you blend with a beauty blender, you are giving soft pressure, okay? So like this. Now taking my Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics and the Morphe brush E46, I'll do my bronzer. I'll be using Morphe M500 brush to contour my nose. I'll take my Golden Triangle 788 brush and my Morphe Bake and Set powder, which is a translucent powder, to set my face. Now that I have powder on my face, I'll take my Golden Triangle brush, which is 968. I'll dust off all the powders. Now taking my Morphe 462 blush brush, not Blush Rush, and my favorite blush by NARS, which is Orgasm, I'll be applying my blush. This is my favorite part. Taking the highlighter that I have used before, which is the Snowflakes by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'll be applying highlighters. For the highlighting part, I forgot to mention the name of the brush I have used. It is the M501 brush. So I have applied my highlighter, and now I'm taking another brush, which is JH39 from my Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush palette. I'll be applying this one to apply the highlighter on my nose. After applying, I'll use the same brush to blend it. I'm going to line my lips using the Cleaner Lip Liner by NYX Cosmetics, and after that I'll be applying the lipstick by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and the shade is Leo. Now the last part. So I'm taking my LA Girl Shimmer Spray and will be applying on my face to set it. But here is a tips for you all. Those of you who love to do makeup and set it with fix spray or finishing spray, whatever it is you call it. So do this. First spray it somewhere else, because it has some bubbles on it. So when you're going to spray it directly, you'll see that your makeup has some bubbles, look, which will ruin your makeup. So you don't want that. So spray it somewhere else, and after that spray it on your face like this. I'm gonna spray it on the ear. Now shake it well and spray it on your face. This is it. This is all the products that I have in my makeup traveling bag, and I like to create this type of look with all those products. So if you have any questions related to any product that I have used today, please feel free to comment below. I'll try my best to answer all of your questions. I will leave the name of the products in the description too. I post my videos every Tuesday and Friday, so subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Until then, bye, take care.
Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana. You didn't walk up with that, how you doing?
Anastasia Beverly Hill, and the name is